In this video, I'll show you how to edit videos by editing text in DaVinci Resolve Studio 18.5 Beta 1 moving forward. Welcome to this video. My name is David and I hope you're well wherever you are around the world. Now, I've got DaVinci open and I'm in the edit page right now, and I'll just drag and drop a video right there. Let's change the frame rate, and once our video is imported, the process is simple. And this is the first part of this video. In the next instance, once we are done with DaVinci Resolve, I'll show you how you can do it in Descript, which I find a little bit faster. So I'm just going to right click on my video clip, click on transcribe audio. And once I do that, it's going to analyze and then transcribe my audio. At the time of recording this video, it only supports English. So you can see right here, we've got our transcript available, and I can play the transcript.
In this video, I'll show you how to add captions to your social media videos, TikToks, Reels, super fast using Descript. We're going to be adding emojis, capitalizing certain words that you like to do, that you like to capitalize, the Alex Amosi style, and everything that you like to see. Stick around to the end. I'll show you how to make this super fast. Thanks for watching, and let's begin.
Now you'll notice that there is an error somewhere here that you'd like to do. I'd like it to be that you'd like to capitalize. So let's assume I want to edit this video. It's super quick. I'm going to select any content before that particular mistake. Once I select it up to there, click on this particular insert button. It's going to insert that clip onto the timeline as it is. And then we're going to select any word that is right after that. And then we're going to click on the insert button here. It's going to insert the second clip. So this is what our footage kind of looks like.
In this video, I'll show you how to add captions to your social media videos, TikToks.
It seems it's a little bit out of sync, but that is not something that we cannot fix in post after you make some few edits. I wish it were a little bit better, but let's see what we get here. The jump cut that we're going to get here.
We're going to be adding emojis, capitalizing certain words that you like to capitalize.
So it's so actually I picked a bigger section here, so I can just delete this and then come here. Let's go to that you'd like without the do, and then click on insert. Let's begin here.
Certain words that you like to capitalize, the Alex Amosi style, and everything that you like to see.
So it looks really good, and it's really awesome that you can now edit videos by editing text in DaVinci Resolve. Now, a couple of things I wish it was possible to do. I wish it's possible to just kind of highlight some of the words here and just backspace or delete them. I wish the transcript was editable, and once you edit it, it edits the video, like what I'm going to show you how you can do that in Descript. Really awesome. Also, I don't see the option to kind of take out filler words if there are any, or probably it doesn't seem like it's transcribing filler words, but I wish it did. But that is how you can edit videos by editing text in DaVinci Resolve. Super fast. Now let's jump in to Descript. Let's actually close this out, and then let's just open up Descript. So let's see what we get here. So I'm just going to create a new project, and once it's open, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag my video right inside here. And the good thing with Descript is that let's just follow the on-screen prompts here. It's in English. Yes, let's always prompt for transcription language. Transcribe. It's going to start uploading. Let's add a speaker name here, David. It's in English. Click on done. It's transcribing at 50%, and it's updating the files. So the good thing with Descript is that you can even change the position of that particular text. So if you feel like the transcribed text should be probably at the beginning, it's super simple to do that. Does away with the filler words and a ton of things that you can really incorporate. Also, you can export XML files for DaVinci Resolve right inside Descript. So this is what it looks like.
In this video, I'll show you how to add captions to your social media videos, TikToks, Reels, super fast using Descript. We're going to be adding emoji.
One thing I like about DaVinci Resolve is that it picks even the words like Descript. Descript itself is now picking up Descript inside here. So whatever transcription engine DaVinci Resolve are using, It's really, really awesome.
Capitalizing certain words that you like.
So capitalizing certain words, Descript doesn't get that, but I believe English is not a first language to me, and for people who speak English as their first language, Descript does a very, very good job.
To do that you'd like to.
So what we wanted to take out in the initial section was that you'd like to do. So it's that section. Just press on backspace and it's gone. So we can play.
Capitalizing certain words that you'd like to capitalize.
Seamless editing by editing text in the Descript storyboard. Super awesome. But I really like the way DaVinci is coming up with all this. And something else that I mentioned is, let's say we want the thanks for watching to be at the beginning. So I can just cut that, Control X, come here, Control V, and we begin with the end.
Thanks for watching, and let's begin.
Then we have the initial section.
In this video,
that we can actually, let's set up the layers here slightly, select the range tool, then select something like this, then press on delete, and it's gone. Let's go back to the beginning.
Thanks for watching, and let's begin.
So we also have another section here where we can select the range tool. Let's say up to there, press on delete, and then we can play this.
Thanks for watching, and let's begin.
And then give it a couple of seconds.
In this video,
so we can still remove some content right about here. So let's zoom out slightly. We can actually delete this section because it seems like it's giving us, it's the undoing. Let's change to a select. Click on this, delete. Looks really good. Click on this section.
In this video,
so we can still select the range tool again and do away with this section here. Delete. We might need to do away with something there, but
in this video,
yeah, I think we might need to do away with some section here. Let's go back to the select tool. This particular section here, I believe it should be gone. Let's come up to here and see if we can zoom in properly. This particular section needs to be gone, but we get something like this.
In this video,
yes, so that looks much better. And then we can go back to the beginning here.
Thanks for watching, and let's begin.
So we can actually take out some more here. Let's go again for the range tool, backspace, and then let's play it from the beginning.
Thanks for watching, and let's begin. In this video, I'll show you how to add captions to your social media videos, TikToks, Reels, super fast using Descript. We are going to be adding emojis, capitalizing certain words that you'd like to capitalize.
So it looks extremely seamless, unlike what we had in DaVinci Resolve.
The Alex Amosi style and everything that you'd like to see. Stick around to the end. I'll show you how to make this super fast.
So that's really awesome. And something else, if you'd like to add things like social media templates for the captions, you can just come here and then let's go to like the templates available, let's say for captions, and then we go with something like, let's say we go with something like this. Just drag it on this and it's going to be applied.
Thanks for watching, and let's begin.
Looks really awesome. So that's where Descript wins, and I believe the folks at DaVinci Resolve Studio are going to be looking at this. As for the publish, you can go to export and then export a timeline, and then you can look for, let's say we go with Final Cut. This is going to be accepted in DaVinci Resolve, so you go with that and then export this. You can also include media files in the export, but simply put, this video is about editing videos by editing text in DaVinci Resolve, and also I give you an alternative you'd like to check it out. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, stay safe and never stop learning. Thanks for watching.